Hi, and welcome to another ServiceNav Key Features video. This time, we will consider planned maintenances, and particularly their need to inform users in advance, to know the impact the maintenance may have on key services, and to exclude the outage duration from overall availability calculations. Here's how you can place a host into maintenance. Maintenance windows can be scheduled, and ServiceNav ensures that if there is an agreed outage, its duration can be excluded from any service availability calculations. Here on the Elements tab, ServiceNav can indicate which user services may be impacted by the loss of a particular host. On the Scheduling tab, you can set the start and end times of the outage, and also determine if the outage should be excluded from any availability calculations. The ability to automatically adjust availability calculations is a big advantage, as some organizations have to adjust their figures manually at report time, which isn't a great deal of fun. We can also record if the outage is triggered by the provider or the customer, and this is significant in an MSP or a cloud service situation. It makes it easy for the correct calculation of availability to be made in circumstances where perhaps a customer has chosen to take down an application that is hosted by a cloud provider. In such a scenario, it's important that the cloud provider isn't penalized for the loss of service. The Options tab lets you notify people of the maintenance, and with ServiceNav being a multi-tenant platform, the strength here is that you only notify customers of the affected user services and not everybody. Thanks for watching, and check out the other short informational videos from the ServiceNav team.